first, when you receive Volcan sleeve, you need to set up the tray board, which is look like this. Just put it there, and then till it's finished with the tray board. And then you have this cooling station and sintering tray with this is a sintering tray. You can fill in the Zirconia beads, which is this, into this tray. You can fill Zirconia bowl like this, and you can use this material to pick up, because it will be very hot. Like this, and then you just need to press the button, like this. It's working now.